know, once you get over there and you realize, hey, I've got to get this motherfucker crunked back up because I cannot fucking push this bitch through that shit I just rode through. Ow!
Bite you?
Yeah. Right in the fucking shin, wasn't it?
Hey, let me show you a trick. This is your first trick.
Oh. Well, fuck, I found that out the hard way, thank you. I'm all fucked up.
Fuck you, man. I'm not scared. I'm not in the middle of the woods. I can't do it.
What, everybody's like your fucking mama here? I'll ride the bitch. Let me start it.
Come on, dude.
Come on, let me start it.
Get your legs shaking like I did a while ago and get all nervous and shit, and you'll fire it right up.
Just do it like I do. Do the fat boy bounce, man.
I got to pull my fucking pants a little higher.
Now, you're starting too high. That's your problem. Pull it down here. A little further. Well,
Who's this?
Who's this?
yeah. And then you can bounce it.
Who is this?
I don't know. Somebody taking it out, I guess. Nah, look up.
We're going to get in trouble for being back here. Hey, Josh, you getting this on YouTube? We're going to go to jail for trespassing.
Nah, usually they come yell at us.
Oh, do they?
I don't know.
Give it some gas
Give it a little gas.
when you kick it, about the time you kick it, match the gas with it. And it'll fire right up. I don't know if y'all heard it a while ago when it fucking fired up. I was like nailing the gas and go, whang! You almost got it. Give it a little bit more gas when you go down.
Ow, no. Oh, dude, that was not funny.
Did you get one of them knots like I had?
You just came up and smacked me in the back of the knee.
You got me in the chin a while ago, dude.
I think I could probably do
Fucking that quad runner I had, dude, that motherfucker would nail me every time in the shin because my foot would go down when I had tennis shoes on and it'd pop back up because it was you kick it forward, you didn't kick it back.
I prefer to kick that one forward.
That shit's serious. There's no play toy. Oh my god. There's a play toy. Okay, it's a big boy's play toy. I'm getting out of the middle of the fucking road when he comes up this way. I have a feeling.
I gotta get the good action shot.
Yeah, that action shot's gonna be sitting at your forehead with some mud grips.
As long as it gets on YouTube.
This is scary, man. Yeah, for real. No bullshit. Fuck yeah. That bitch is strong as shit. There you go, bud. He's fucking nuts.
Dude, that is so. Dude, you really will. You should ride it. As long as you don't get on it and try to be like me and like.
Just cruise around and just grip the clutch and hit the throttle. Do not fucking womp on that bitch.
Just make sure that it's not going when you let go of the clutch, and you'll be fine. Dude, in all honesty, when I was around there turning it around earlier, I had it at like 4.5, 5, I figured, because there ain't no tech on it. And I popped it front end, stood straight up with me, about threw me on my fucking ass, and the only thing I did was lean, and it came right back down.
Fucking third! Oh my god! I cannot handle that bitch going that fast. That shit fucking terrifies me.
You're shaking.
Yeah.
I feel like it's just to come out from under you.
I'm thinking if I ride it a couple more times, I might not shake as fast. It's just the fact that getting there is going to be a bitch. It scared the shit out of me. Just don't move. Just dude, we gotta get it. Fuck a motorcycle. I'm trading my bike. For real?
I'm either gonna get that or some little hyped up Predator, something I done bored out and cams and fucking.
Yeah, I'd rather have a four-wheeler, but everybody. I'd rather have four-wheels. I feel a lot better.